Hello everyone, I hope you are having a fantastic day today, because I know I am, and I'm going to make your day even better, because I'm going to show you a couple Rubik's Cube patterns that you are going to want to know. The first pattern I'm going to show you is the checkerboard. The checkerboard is the simplest pattern, according to me, and all you do is you pick a face, and you take the right and the left hand side, and you make them opposite, just like that. And then you turn it counterclockwise or clockwise, and you do it again. Alright, now you turn to a face that does not have the checkerboarded side, like that. And you repeat the step. And now all sides of the Rubik's Cube are checkerboarded. See, that was pretty easy, right? Alright, so now just to solve it, all you do is do the steps in reverse. Okay, so the next pattern I'm going to show you is the American flag. Now you have to go to the red and white side, and you take the red top and red bottom and put them on the white face, like this. Next thing you have to do is you have to locate your blue side. Oh my god, there it is. Okay, so you take the bottom row of the blue side and turn it away from the blue face, just like that. Now you go back to the red and white face, which is right here, and you take the right layer and you put it down toward the blue side, just like that. And now you take that blue side that you just moved and put it back on the blue side. So now this layer should have red, white, and blue. But now put it back up. And now you have the American flag. Alright, and to fix it, all you do is put the blue side back down, move it over so it's red, white, and red again, put it up, move the blue back, and fix the side. Okay, so the next pattern that I'm going to show you is the super flip. Super flip is where all the edge pieces are flipped, but the corners and centers are the same. And this one is really easy. So all you do is take the middle layer and you move it up, and then you move the top face to the left. So you do an up. And you do that 4 times. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you did it right, you should have a solid color with one piece that's not correct. And then if you turn it to the left or the right, you should have another face that's all correct besides one. That means you did it right. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go like this and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you're going to do that again. Now you should be on a face that looks like this, with 3 different colors right here. Now do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the super flip. You see how each edge piece is flipped from where it should be? That's what the super flip is. And to fix it, you just do it in reverse. The next pattern that I'm going to show you is the Python. The Python is one of my favorites, and this is the algorithm for it. Front, front, R-I, B-I, U, R-I, L, F-I, L, F-I, B, D-I, R, B, and then L twice. 1, 2. This is the Python. You should see a continuous chain that goes all the way around the cube. It just goes on all the way around it. And that's the Python. And to fix it, you just do it in reverse. Give me one moment, please. Okay, sorry about that. And the next pattern that I'm going to show you is my favorite. It's called the cube in a cube in a cube, which is displayed right here. That's what it looks like. But here is the algorithm for it. You're going to go front, down, Fi, down, down, Li, Bi, U, L, D, R, U, Li, Fi, U, L, U, U. And this is cube and a cube and a cube. This is also the cube and a cube and a cube. This is my favorite pattern for the 3x3, and to solve it, all you do is do the algorithm in reverse. Give me 1 minute, please. Okay, and there has one more pattern that I need to show you, and it's a simple pattern. It's called the dot pattern. And basically all it is the centers will be switched a different color, and the outside edges will be the same. And I don't know the algorithm, so this is just follow what I do. And this is the dot pattern. You see, all the centers are switched, but the outside edges are the same color. And well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave a comment below. Like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.